Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a common problem: how to turn on your TLC Smart TV without the remote. Whether your remote lost, broken, or out of batteries, don't worry. We've got a few quick simples to power on your TV. And first and simplest, check for the physical power button on your TCL TV, depending on your model. It's usually located underneath the TLC logo or the bottom bezel, or sometimes along the backside or the beneath the right corner. Just press and hold the power button for a second or two, and the TV should be powered on. If you want a more convenient option, grab your smartphone and use TCL or Roku mobile app, whichever matches your TV system. For Roku's TV, download the Roku app from the App Store or Google Play. Connect to your phone or the same Wi-Fi networks as your TV, and launch the remote feature inside the app. From there, you can power the TV on, navigate, and even control volume just like a regular remote. If your TCL Smart TV runs on a Google TV or Android TV, download the Google TV app and do the same once connected to the same Wi-Fi. You will have a full remote access. No app, no problem. You can also use the universal remote or HDMI-CEC enabled device like a game console or a streaming stick. Turning on that connected device can sometimes power up the TV automatically as long as the HDMI-CEC is enabled in settings. And thanks for watching. If this guide helps you out, to be sure, like the video, leave your comment and feedback in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. See you in the next video.